Oh, hello. I'm Keychron's accountant. I use the Key 3 Max and the Key 0 Max because I need to touch numbers all day, every day. Oh, yeah, I'll call you right back. Hi, I'm Keychron's sales manager and I use the K3 Max because it's light and I can take it anywhere with me, literally anywhere. Easy. Now I'm here and here, and it's perfect for my business trips. Bye! I'm in the IT department and I use the Q11. Why? Because it's a weird keyboard. But these are nice because that means we can use our fingers all day without getting tired. I'm the admin, so I use the K2HE. It's perfect for work and gaming, so I play games at work. I'm very organized.